So buckle up and hold on to your gadgets, because today we're uncovering the jaw-dropping truth behind the evolution of artificial intelligence right here on Tech Manor. See, what is AI before getting into the evolution part? AI is short for artificial intelligence, and it's the forefront fusion of computer science and vast data sets engineered to empower machines to emulate human intelligence. This revolutionary technology encompasses a diverse range of functions, from comprehending natural language and identifying patterns to logical deduction and independent decision-making. Understanding machine learning. Machine learning stands as a pivotal element within AI, concentrating on empowering computers to learn and make decisions autonomously, devoid of explicit programming. At its core, machine learning algorithms facilitate the analysis of extensive datasets, enabling systems to discern patterns and formulate predictions or decisions based on the acquired information. What sets AI apart from conventional computer systems is its inherent capacity to learn and enhance its performance over time through iterative processes. This dynamic capability not only distinguishes AI, but also underpins its transformative potential across various domains.